Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friends, today we are going to discuss about section 2 of the Indian Penal Code. So before starting the topic, I request all of you, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell button to get the notification of all the updates. So now we will start the topic. So before analyzing the section 2 of the Indian Penal Code, we will understand what is in the Bare Act. So let me read it first. What is in the Bare Act of the section 2 of the Indian Penal Code? Section 2 of the Indian Penal Code says punishment of offences committed within India. Every person shall be liable to punishment under this code and not otherwise for every act or omission contrary to the provisions thereof, of which he shall be guilty within India. So there are 2-3 things that are covered under this section. Number one, it determines the territorial jurisdiction. It categorically says that any crime which has been committed within India. India means the territorial jurisdiction, the land which India occupies, and not only the land but the territory also extend in the sea. At least 200 miles within the sea comes under the jurisdiction of India. So any offense which has been committed in the territory of India is liable for a punishment under this Indian Penal Code. So this is the first important thing, that this section determines why this section is so important, because it decides that any offense or every offense which has been committed in India will be liable for a punishment under the Indian Penal Code. So this is the first thing. Second thing, it says every citizen. Every citizen means whoever, irrespective of his nationality, irrespective of his citizenship, irrespective of his status, he is liable for any offense that he has committed under the Indian Penal Code. So if any person, even if he is an Indian citizen or a foreign citizen or an alien or anybody who commits any crime within India, is liable for a punishment under the Indian Penal Code. So this is the second thing. But the third thing is there are some exceptions also. Every citizen, of course there are every citizen, but there are few exceptions to this category of every citizen. First exception is any dignitaries, yani any prime minister or president is exempted, or if we have a agreement with any other country. So in those circumstances there are exceptions. Otherwise, in general circumstances, every person who commits a crime on the territory of India is liable to be punished under the Indian Penal Code. So this is section 2 of the Indian Penal Code. Friends, if you are watching this video, please also visit my channel and watch the playlist, because I have made very informative and knowledgeable videos in different categories, particularly on drafting. So if you are if you go to my channel, you will find some playlist there. So please check it out. Very informative and knowledgeable videos are there. Watch it, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it. And I will be coming again with another video. So till then, take care. Namaskar.